Hey guys, so today we're doing a tutorial in under 2 minutes, a tutorial. This tutorial is all about how to transfer a project from one person's Final Cut Pro to another. We only have 2 minutes, so let's get into it. First, we have to prep the library file. We need to do that by going into Final Cut Pro at the top left and then going into Preferences, going to the Import tab and making sure that Copy to Library Storage Location is selected. This will copy all of the original files that you have in your project to the library file so you can send them. Step 2, we're prepping our footage. We want to make the file as small as possible to send over the internet a lot faster. The thing that takes the most space in a library file are render files, so we want to delete those. So the first thing you want to do is check to see the size of your library file. Ours is 24 gigs, so make sure your library file is selected and then go to File, Delete Generated Library Files, and make sure Delete Render Files and All are selected. These will repopulate for your next editor when they reopen your project in Final Cut. But let's refresh and see how much space that freed up. That freed up about half the space, 12 gigs. So that'll take a lot less time to send over the internet, which leads us to step 3. Now let's open our movies folder, or whichever folder houses your library files. That little purple box, by the way, is a library file, and you just want to right click on that and press compress, and that will start the process of it zipping into a file. And once you have it into a zipped file, you can send it over the internet, you can load it onto your external hard drive. I found Dropbox is a great place because you can send up to 50 gigs, so that's what I would recommend. That was a lot of information at once, I'm aware. I'll also list all these steps in the description box below if you need to reference them or just kind of remember. If you like videos like this, talking about Final Cut Pro tutorials, video editing, just YouTube, lifestyle in general, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.